Hello, welcome to ANS Solver. This is the seventh question of the paper. As you can see, I need to show that 2 cosec 2 theta cot theta is equivalent to cosec square theta. So now I can basically write this as 2 into cosec I know is 1 over sine. So I can write this as 1 over sine 2 theta into I know cot theta can be written as cos theta over sine theta. Now I need to use an important trig formula, that is sine 2 theta equals to 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, so now I can write this as 2 into 1 over 2 sine theta cos theta into cos theta over sine theta. So I can simply cut 2 cos. So I get 1 over sine square theta. And I told you cosec is 1 over sine. So I can write this as cosec square theta. Simple. Now, hence show that cosec square 15 degrees and tan 15 is equal to 4. So in the previous part, we saw that 2 cosec 2 theta, okay, into cot theta is equivalent to cosec square theta. So here if you see, I have cosec square. So I can write this as 2 cosec 2 theta, okay, into 1 over tan theta, which is equivalent to cosec square theta. Correct? This is part of my working. So I can write this as 2 cosec 2 theta will be equivalent to cosec square theta and tan theta. Okay? Now instead of theta, put 15. So I'll basically get this as 2 cosec 2 into 15. Okay? So I can write this as 2 over, I know cosec is 1 over sine. So 2 over sine. Now 2 into 15 is 30. So now I can write this as 2 over sine 30 degrees. I know that sine 30 degrees is half. Correct? And 2 over half is simply 4, which is the final answer of my question. Okay? Needs simple derivation to get the answer. Yes, so this is the third part of the question. So they have given us 2 cos, let me call this phi, because in statistics, if I've taken statistics, the sign looks like phi, okay? So 2 cosec phi cot half phi plus cosec half phi equals to 12. And I need the value of phi from minus 360 degrees to 360 degrees. So now if you see in part 1, we established that 2 cosec 2 theta cot theta equals to cosec square theta. Okay, so now if you see here, instead of 2 theta, they have taken a phi, and instead of a theta, they have taken a phi. That half phi, that means theta represents half phi, I can say. So basically, I know I can write this full thing as cosec square half phi. Okay, this is what I can write. Correct? Because I know this is equal to this. So plus cosec half phi minus 12. Okay, because 12 comes to the other side. It is equal to 0. So now what I can simply do is I can say let cosec half phi be a. So I get a square plus a minus 12 equals to 0. As you can see, this is a quadratic. So you can solve this on the calci. Okay. So on the calculator, what you can simply do is you can click on mode. Okay. Then you can click simply on 5. Sorry, I'll just write it properly. Where equation is written. Then you can click on 3. Now when you click on 3, you get 3 boxes here. So in the first box, what you can do is put the coefficient of a square, which is 1. In the second box, put the coefficient of a, which is 1. And in the last box, put minus 12. So I get 1, 1 and minus 12. So I can simply say that cosec half phi is equal to 3 and cosec half phi is equal to minus 4. Now I know cosec is 1 over sine, so I can write this as 1 over sine half phi equals to 3, which I can basically write as sine half phi equals to 1 over 3. And I can even write this as 1 over sine half phi equals to minus 4 and sine half phi is equal to minus 1 by 4. So now let's look at this first. So this is my basic ASTC curve. I know my domain is from minus 360 to 360 degrees. So where is sine positive? Sine is positive in the A and sine is positive in S. So I know this is theta and this should be 180 minus theta. So now to calculate theta, I know I need to be on the degree mode first, and I need to do sine inverse of 1 over 3. Okay, where I get 19.47 degrees. Now I need to do 180 minus theta. So 180 minus 19.47 to give me 160.52. So I can write this as half p equals to 19.47 comma 160.52. So I can simply write this as 19.47 into 2, which will basically give my phi as 38.9 degrees, comma 160.52 into 2, which will give me 321.0 degrees. So these are two values. Okay, because when 2 is multiplied to both of these here. Now, in the same way, I'll make an ASTC for this. But now if you notice something, if you see my other videos, that I always say that, a negative, okay, you always take the sine inverse of the positive and do it. But in this case, we don't do it because our domain is from minus 360. So I can say I can write this basically as minus 90, okay, minus 180, okay. I can basically, what I mean to say is, I can go the opposite way, okay. I can go the opposite way. I can do that. That means everything will become negative. So I need to do sine inverse of negative 1 over 4, which I know is negative 14.47. Now, in the negative quadrant only I need S. So for that, I know this is minus 180. So I can do minus 180, okay, minus 14.47. So I get my answer as minus 180 plus 14.47, because minus minus becomes plus. So I get minus 165.53. So I can say my half p is basically equal to negative 14.47, comma, minus 165.53. So I can simply multiply 2 to both values to get negative 14.47 into 2, which gives me negative 29.0 degrees, comma, negative 165.53 into 2 gives me minus 33.1. Okay, 0.0 degrees, or you can write 0.1 also if you want. So these are my 4 values for phi. Okay, there's a phi here, not a theta. So yeah.